So, how would you like to be on the inside? How would you like to know what some of the more powerful people in crypto are buying? Well, I'm about to share with that with you and exactly how you can do that. So, what you're looking at here, and I'm assuming you may or may not know this, you're looking at World Liberty Finance, WLFI. And by the way, you can find it on Twitter if you go to at World Liberty FI. That's them and follow them. Okay. So what is this? Well, if you click on this link right here, World Liberty Financial, it takes you to this page. Shape a new era of finance, be define it. We're leading a financial revolution by dismantling the stranglehold of traditional financial institutions and putting the power back where it belongs in your hands. And if you look at, and they are launching their own token, the WLFI token. But if you look at this, so this company is an entity affiliated with Donald Trump and certain members of his family. They own approximately 60% of the equity interest in WLF Holdco. Now, some of you may say, well, he can't own this. He can own it. He just can't have anything to do with it as he's president. He can't know what they're doing or that whatever that is, right? So just again, for those of you guys who want to drop a comment about that. But that's not my point. So what is World Liberty Finance? It's going to be a DeFi trading platform, but I think of it more as an investment vehicle. And therein lies the reason I titled the video, Trump Just Bought What? And would you like to be on the inside? Now, this is a tweet that came out from WLFI. This is a couple of days old, but that's fine. The crypto stock market, the crypto market has been flat. There really hasn't been a lot going on in the crypto market. In fact, it's been down a little bit. Okay. But this is a complete divulgence, if you will, of what they have bought, of what WLFI has bought. And they bought this, they began to buy on January 20th. So they're going to share what they are going to be buying. So doesn't it stand to reason like, okay, why did they buy these particular assets? ETH, Bitcoin, Aave, Link, TRX, INA. I always want to say ENA. Why did they buy those? Okay. Well, in all candor, my 2 cents, doesn't matter why they bought it. They see some value there, or there could be strategic partnerships coming, or there could be any number of different scenarios playing out. The way I looked at it is I'm like, interesting. Okay. So like what I'm doing is there's other information that's come out around, XRP and XLM. Trump is wanting to create and kind of put national crypto companies first, right? So I've already owned XRP. I already owned some XLM, but I bought even more of them respectively. I already owned Ethereum and Bitcoin, but I went and I'm like, you know what? I already owned some Chainlink, but I bought some more because they bought $4.7 million worth of Chainlink. They bought $47 million worth of Ethereum. So don't you think that they see some value long-term, WLFI, of Ethereum or Bitcoin, obviously, right? But Aave wasn't one that was on my radar. I mean, yes, I know what Aave is, but I'm like, I need to buy some Aave because Trump's WLFI just bought Aave. And some of you may be like, well, Austin, this sounds too simple. That's the point. Okay. It doesn't always have to be really complicated. It doesn't. So, in the list of cryptos, if you look at, all right, well, Trump's the president and he has had many, many meetings. He has had many inside meetings into the crypto world. So these particular buys could be some indicators of some things that are coming down the road, short term, midterm, long term, as far as like how far are they out for these respective companies. Aave, Chainlink, TRX, INA. It's as simple as that. You don't always have to overcomplicate things, right? So I'm just saying, I have bought some of these. Some of them I wasn't into. I didn't own any INA. I mean, I didn't own any TRX. I didn't own any Aave. So guess what? I'm buying because it can be at times as simple as that. Okay. So with that, before I let you go, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. If you want even more help making even more money to make some short-term profits along the way, I have a piece of trading software. It's a trading indicator called X1 Algo. I spent 10 grand building it. The software cost about $1 a day. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. There's a discount code down there that makes it cost a little bit more than $1 a day. So you spend more than $1 a day on crap that doesn't make you a penny. Okay. So we're talking about investing here. We're talking about making money. So didn't you make a challenge or a commitment to yourself to make even more money in 2025 than you made in 24? Well, here's a way to do it. Because I bet you right now, you don't know when to buy and when to sell any asset, really. You're just flying by the seat of your pants. You have blinders on. So like, look, momentum up, momentum down. These are buy alerts. This is November 5th to December 5th, where XLM went up 473%. So $1,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of $4,732. XRP. Let me show you that time frame. Like this is again back around the when the market took off, right? Leading into all the election. 30 days, 408%. $1,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of $4,080. And right now, the market's flat. It's getting ready to take off again. Wouldn't you know the perfect time? Want to know the perfect time to buy and sell? And by the way, it costs you only $1 a day, $1. Don't begrudge me $1. Don't be like, well, I'm not going to give Austin, $37. I'm not going to give him $1 a day. I don't want to do that. Why? If it makes you more money, why do you care, right? If it can make you thousands of dollars in profit and tells you know when to buy and when to sell. By the way, there are trading software out there that costs like $300 or $400 a month. I made this as cheap as possible because I wanted to help as many people as I could. There are thousands using it right now. And by the way, if you don't like it, you get a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. You ask for a refund, you get it the same day. My support staff doesn't ask you why you're canceling. Don't ask you why you want a refund. You want it, you get it. You ask for it, you get it. No questions asked. And I am serious about that. Okay. So you have zero risk here. And by the way, this is the thank you page you see after you join. This is everything step by step, walking you through. You're up and running in 15 and 20 minutes. You can use this for crypto. You can use it for stocks. This is Netflix. Look, this is the Netflix chart. See the software working, giving you buy and sell alerts for Netflix. Any stock. You want Apple? Here's Apple chart right there. So like, look at that. Boom. Look at that. Perfectly timed right there. Now, again, Apple doesn't move as much as crypto does, but that's 12% in 43 days. There's people out there that would kill to get a 12% return in 43 days. That's what the software does. And by the way, look at this. It gave a sell alert right here, and don't take a 15% loss. Okay. That's what the software does. It tells you when to buy and when to sell, and it works. So why not try it? Because you got zero risk. Remember, you got 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee. All right. I'll see you. Links in the description below here on YouTube. Link is below also if you're here on X watching. See you.